you Sheila George?
My name is Sheila George, Sheila George. My name is Sheila. Thank you for taking the time to listen to each one of us. And we also thank you for your service to the communities that you serve in. I have many skills under my belt. I am an advocate and a spokesperson. My most important skill was when I took an oath, same as a judge and or a lawyer, prior to entering the United States Navy. And I'm going to skip some of this because our time has been limited. Judges take a similar oath to render justice and equal rights to all, as well as follow the Constitution and laws of the United States. Lawyers as well take a similar oath to support and defend the Constitution and laws of the United States and to defend a person in a justly and professional manner, truthfully. Each of us in here have rights that we were born with that cannot be taken away and or trampled upon. Free to practice whatever religion or belief, freedom of press, freedom to assemble in a peaceful manner, freedom to petition the government for redress of grievance, which many of us have been blocked from doing when it comes to justice in the judicial system, which leads to two questions I would like to pose to the panel. One, does truth and honesty still really matter? And two, as a panel of judges, do you plan on taking action administratively against the professionals who intentionally mislead the court system? We are each here because we have been denied some form of liberty, property, due process, and as well equal protection of the law. Each of us has had a loss of our rights to enjoyment of life and or protection of life. Unfortunately, from 2000 time frame to present, I have been directly involved with 2 court cases and indirectly in 1 court case where I have lost numerous amounts of money and have witnessed 1, professionals of the court, lawyers, judges, GALs, DCF, and as well police officers betraying his or her oath of office. 2, lack of accountability. 3, no honesty, no respect, no due process. 4, intentional wrongdoing. 5, manipulating, twisting, and turning the truth with no shame in what's being done. 6, concern with one's own personal gain and or profit, lacking concern for anyone else. 7, words and or meaning of words changed to fit someone's own selfish needs. 8, perjury. 9, professionals intentionally telling of things that they know to be untrue. 10, adding and or withholding information. 11, hindering cases. Corruption is dishonest or fraudulent conduct by those in power involving bribery, dishonesty, misconduct, crime, and knowingly doing wrong. Some of these things start from the bottom up, such as police officers not investigating properly and as well not writing up their reports correctly so that it can be used to be able to assist in court. DCF workers do not properly investigate and as well write up fraudulent reports with no consequences being made. Most judges rubber stamp paperwork documents, assuming that everything that is being said is correct without allowing important documents from both parties. There are no checks and balances, no one to make sure that the ones in power are really doing their jobs correctly. If an official and or professional that works in and or for courts has to be untruthful about a person to win a case, then there is something truly wrong with a judicial system that allows this to occur. How can we as a nation and or people strengthen, improve, and or trust in a judicial system when such people are in power and as well abuse the powers given and or entrusted to them, while at the same time harming so many innocent children, adults, and people, all because of money and or greed?
Thank you, Ms. George.